Tell me if this sounds familiar. Clutter builds up and up and up until eventually you just can't stand it anymore and you decide to have a ruthless blitz. Welcome back to this 7-part video series, The Biggest Clutter Clearing Mistakes and How to Avoid Them. I'm Rachel Papworth from Green and Tidy, the online professional organiser. I liberate busy women like you from the shackles of chaos to give you peace of mind and set you up to achieve whatever matters to you. Do you tell yourself that this time you're going to be ruthless? There are 2 reasons why a ruthless blitz isn't the way to clear your clutter. First, the blitz bit. It took time to build up your clutter, it will take time to clear it, and you can't do it overnight. If you try, you'll end up exhausted, demoralised and demotivated. You need to take on clearing your clutter as a project, devoting time to it over a period of weeks, months or even years. Not only is that the most effective way to clear your backlog, it also helps you develop a decluttering habit, because when you've been through everything, you need to keep it up. In our disposable consumer societies, stuff comes at us all the time. You buy a magazine and it comes with a free makeup bag. You're shopping for cleaning products and they're on buy one get one free. You come in from a day at work and the doormat is covered in flyers, free newspapers and mail that needs dealing with. Clutter clearing is an ongoing project, not something to be handled one single Sunday afternoon. The second reason why a ruthless blitz isn't the way to go is the ruthless bit. If you're ruthless with yourself, making yourself throw out stuff you're not sure you're ready to let go of, you'll end up with regrets. After the first euphoria of your new clear space has worn off, you'll start thinking about the things you let go and wishing you hadn't. And then you'll associate clutter clearing with upset and regret, and you won't want to do it again. Instead, you need to be realistic. Realistic about how long it's going to take, and realistic about how likely it is that you'll want or need an item again. If you're not sure, keep it. I guarantee you'll find plenty of stuff you are sure you can let go, and you can always review the decision to keep something another time, whereas if you get rid of it, there's no going back. So remember, don't have a ruthless blitz. Be realistic. Comment below if you've ever regretted being ruthless. I'll see you in the next video.